Hello. Things are pretty torn up here at the moment. I've got Sarah's building over there on the bench. I'm working on it. I want to add individual window lightings and window dressings and interior colors and so on. Kind of like I did on this building here and the tall one back there. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but I kept hesitating because Sarah's little room is kind of a prominent feature of her building. And none of the other rooms light up or windows light up, but I think it's time to do something about that. So when I'm done, I hope that Sarah's room stays the same, but other lights in the building will be lit up and have characteristic color feels to separate them from each other so they don't all look the same. And that's what I've been working on. Later on, after you watch this for a little bit, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, how about subscribing? I'll show you what I've been up to. I'm going to make it brief. So hang in there. Thanks for watching. One thing about trying to duplicate something you've already built is that instead of making the same mistakes that you made the first time, you make different ones. It's very exciting. And there's the mistake I made this time. Well, no, it is the right height. From this angle, it looked like I missed it. But no, it is the same height. You see what I just discovered? You probably noticed it before. One opening is wider than the other. The question is, where is it wider? What part of it is wider? Whole center column needs to be moved over. Well, that'll be tricky, but not impossible. One thing about styrene is it's very forgiving. You can glue things on, you can glue things off. Let's find out where the middle of that is. Could be like that, I suppose. Then it would be different, but I could always add that to this one. I could always add a stiffener that looked similar to this one. Well, they're getting closer. It's the relief that makes all the difference. And the relief around the windows, these aren't painted yet. These are still white plastic. I may lighten these up a little bit. They might be just a little off to the yellow. This paper is not pure white. This is pretty much pure white, but this paper is just off kind of a cream color. Probably representing dirt would be my my guess on that. But I haven't done anything. Well, no, these windows have been painted, but these aren't quite as dark as these. This color is, I think, better. I'm not sure that one's painted at all. Yeah, surely it is, because I painted them all at the same time. But yeah, these frames up here, these windows, oddly enough, the way this model goes together, the windows don't hit inside. You see this one? This one goes not into the attic space, up into the rafters, but if you opened it up, it would go out into space there. So rather than opening them up and putting lights behind them, which I couldn't do, if it had a flat roof, you could. Rather than opening up and putting lights in them, I decided, well, I'll just, to make them look the same from the front, I'll just put the window frames on, and but leave the windows, the original paper that's back here. I don't know if I have one of those or not. I ripped them all out. Oh yeah. Anyway, that's what the windows, the printed windows that were in there were like. But they don't transmit light, so I want transparent windows so I can put lights behind it. Ooh, transom. No, that's not even cut through it. That's just printed on there. It's not an opening at all. So I can't do anything about that. Well, I could, but I have to cut it out, and it's kind of awkward when it's already assembled like this, which I will preserve. It will still have Sarah's interior and an individual light for it. Well, I will continue.